Hey YouTube creators! Welcome back to Create&Solve. Today we're diving into a topic that's crucial for anyone serious about growing their channel. Why Sub4Sub is bad for your YouTube channel and what you should be doing instead to get organic subscribers. Have you ever wondered why your subscriber count is high, but your views and engagement are low? It might be because of Sub4Sub. Stick around to find out why this strategy is hurting your channel and learn some effective ways to grow your audience organically. All right, let's break it down. Here are the main reasons why Sub4Sub is a bad idea. 1. Inactive subscribers. When you do Sub4Sub, you get subscribers who aren't genuinely interested in your content. This leads to low engagement, which can hurt your channel's performance in the YouTube algorithm. 2. Harmful to analytics. YouTube's algorithm prioritizes videos with high engagement. If your subscribers aren't watching your videos, your watch time and engagement rates will plummet, making it less likely for YouTube to recommend your content. 3. Damaged reputation. Building a community based on mutual interest and engagement is crucial. Inactive subscribers can damage your reputation among potential genuine subscribers and collaborators. 4. Violation of YouTube policies. YouTube explicitly discourages deceptive practices like Sub4Sub. Violating these guidelines can lead to penalties, including demonetization or even termination of your channel. Let's dive deeper into each of these points. First, let's talk about inactive subscribers. Imagine you have 1,000 subscribers, but only 50 of them watch your videos. This low engagement signals to YouTube that your content isn't interesting or valuable, which can drastically reduce your video's reach. As you can see, low engagement leads to fewer recommendations, which means fewer views and even lower engagement, a vicious cycle. Next, let's discuss how Sub4Sub harms your analytics. YouTube's algorithm looks at metrics like watch time, likes, comments, and shares. If your subscribers aren't engaging with your content, these metrics suffer, and so does your channel's growth potential. YouTube wants to promote content that keeps viewers on the platform longer. If your videos aren't doing that, they're less likely to be recommended. Now, let's talk about reputation. When potential subscribers see that you have a high subscriber count but low engagement, it can be a red flag. They might think your content isn't worth watching, which can hurt your chances of gaining genuine subscribers. Lastly, violating YouTube's policies can have severe consequences. YouTube's guidelines are clear. Deceptive practices like Sub4Sub are not allowed. If you're caught, you risk penalties that can range from demonetization to channel termination. It's just not worth the risk. So, what should you do instead? Here are some proven strategies to grow your channel organically. 1. Create high-quality content. Focus on producing engaging, informative, and entertaining content. High-quality videos are more likely to be shared and recommended by viewers. 2. Optimize your videos for search. Use tools like vidIQ or TubeBuddy to find the best keywords for your videos. Optimize your titles, descriptions, and tags to improve your search visibility. 3. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask questions, and create community posts. Building a genuine connection with your audience encourages them to stay engaged and share your content. 4. Collaborate with other creators. Partner with other YouTubers in your niche. Collaborations can introduce your channel to new audiences and help you gain genuine subscribers. 5. Promote your videos on social media. Share your videos on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Engaging with communities on these platforms can drive traffic to your YouTube channel. 6. Consistency is key. Upload regularly and stick to a schedule. Consistency helps build a loyal audience who knows when to expect new content from you. 7. Analyze and adapt. Use YouTube Analytics to understand what works and what doesn't. Adapt your content strategy based on this data to continually improve your channel's performance. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below with your thoughts on Sub 4 Sub and share your own tips for growing a YouTube channel organically. Until next time, keep creating and stay awesome.